Meaning of dermatitis.
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 Dermatitis. Dermatitis is a condition characterized by inflammation of the skin. It can be caused by a variety of factors, such as exposure to irritants or allergens, genetic predisposition, or autoimmune disorders. The symptoms include redness, itching, swelling, and sometimes blistering or cracking of the affected skin. Depending on the severity of the condition, medical treatment may be necessary, including topical or oral medications, lifestyle changes, and avoidance of triggers. Proper management of dermatitis can help to alleviate symptoms and prevent further complications, such as infection or scarring.